what we are currently working with is, so we have on the left lower side, we have our single server clusters, on-prem servers with Ampere CPUs and NETINT cards. And we use Kubernetes for everything, just to run our applications on it. And so in the past, we just had the Akamai Connected Cloud management on the top of this slide here. It was communicating with our own on-prem servers. But now we can also use the Akamai Cloud Workers. And that means that we can use the same application that does the heavy load lifting for audio and video transcoding and for managing all the audio channels and the subtitling and everything else. And we can run it on-prem, or we could run it on a cloud service, and that gives us a whole new level of options.
I'm curious about this. And in your typical project, I'm going to guess, being almost always a government, especially something like the European Parliament, there's some very good reasons for security, for example, why there's probably on-prem, on-premises equipment. So there's some cases whether you could run it in the cloud or run it, somewhere else, you need to have a box sitting, in a building somewhere. But for your typical projects, let's say media and entertainment, media companies, et cetera, does this open up, the Akamai Connected Cloud, open up the ability to, effectively eliminate on-premise and be able to run it, all in the cloud? Or what are you seeing in terms of architecture that this is going to open up for you?
Yeah, so there are some use cases where we just get a high quality production ready broadcast signal via SDI or 2110, and that does often not really make sense to push through the internet to some cloud instance.
You need a box sitting, in a building or in a truck or, a production center.
Especially for those 24/7 operations where it's not only a truck, it's something that's permanently there.
Yeah, that's right.
That makes, and if you need that box, then this box can do also some other things. Then
Sure.
why would you under equip that box? If it's already there and you have to pay for it, then pay a little bit more, and then it can do things that you would otherwise do in the cloud only.